Hi, my name is Colin Crilly. This is my final project for ME305 Mechatronics 1. I call this the Smart Hiking Pole Attachment. The problem that I'm trying to solve is I'm really worried for my grandma and my friends and family that when they go hiking, they might get lost, they might get hurt, and so I created this to help with those two cases. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly show you how this helps in those two scenarios. So right here we have our battery, which is just a traditional like battery pack to connect your phone and power your phone. So you can bring this and charge your phone in unison. It also powers the Arduino inside. We have our motor right here, which uses PWM depending on how far away you are from the trail. If you've just gone a little bit off trail, it'll vibrate a little bit, but as soon as you start going further and further away, the vibration gets more and more intense, letting you know you've gone off trail. And as you continue back in the right direction towards the trail, the vibration starts to get less and less. So that helps with if you get lost, you can easily find your way back to trail. That works in unison with our sensor right here, which is a GPS module which connects to the satellites and actually reads our current location, and depending on that will control this motor to help us get back on track to the right coordinates. Right here we have our joystick, which is our user input, which if they go one direction, it'll increase the distance or the set point. If we go the other direction, it'll decrease that distance. That is shown up right here on our LED display. So I'll go ahead and power this on and just show you. So as we power it on, we're initially going to start, the motor will start vibrating. This just lets us know that we're trying to connect to a satellite. And as soon as we do, we get this red light right here, indicating that we are connected and that we're ready to go on our hike. Like I said earlier, this is our user input. So if I go one direction, we increase the set point, and if I go the opposite direction, we are decreasing that set point or that distance, our final distance. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how this motor works in unison with the GPS module. So if there's a fork in the road, I'm imagining there is one right here. I go this direction. The motor is starting to vibrate at a small amount of frequency, just letting me know that I've gone off the trail. And as I start backing up further and further, it increases. Now as I come back to the right direction, the right way that I should be going on trail, that vibration actually stops, and that lets us know that we're back in the direction, back on trail, ready to go to our final spot. The cool feature about this I was talking about for case number 2 is if someone gets hurt, lost, injured, anything that comes with being outside, all they have to do is they have to press this button 5 times fast, and that'll actually flash our display right here, letting us know that we've activated EMS. They have our location from the GPS module, that they know where to come and find us and send help. And the motor will also vibrate at the same frequency that our light is flashing. So I'll just demonstrate that real fast. So as you can see, our light is flashing and the motor is vibrating into my hands through the box, letting me know that I've activated EMS. So they now have my location. They know that I'm hurt or that I'm in trouble. I need some help. Okay, now I'm going to go inside all the inner workings of my project. So it has a lid that can be taken off. I'm going to go ahead and power this off just so we can see. So right here, this is our joystick connected, and I taped all the wires together, easy access. This is our GPS module that's connected and goes through this hole right here. On the other side right here, we have our LED display also connected to our Arduino. On the inside right here, you can see we have these green and red wires that are right here. You can kind of see them. They connect to our motor, and the motor is connected in a little circuit inside for that PWM. All the components are inside this box and covered, and the wires are hidden. That way they can be sheltered from rain, weather, any other kind of things you might encounter. So this is my final project, the Smart Hiking Pole Attachment. Thank you so much.